Hello students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 2, that is periodic classification of elements. Today 118 elements are known to the scientific world. Due to more number of elements, it is difficult to study their properties separately. So, in order to make the study of elements easy, there is a need of classification. Classification means grouping of elements, that is, grouping of similar elements together and separating the dissimilar elements. Many attempts have been made by different scientists in order to classify the elements. First attempt of classification of elements was made by German scientist Dobereiner. He made a group of 3 elements having similar properties. This group of 3 elements is called triads. Dobereiner's law of triads. Dobereiner arranged these 3 elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. He found that the atomic mass of middle element is arithmetic mean of atomic masses of other 2 elements. There are some triads. First is lithium, sodium, potassium, and second one is chlorine, bromine, iodine. Explanation: lithium has atomic mass 7, sodium has atomic mass 23, and potassium has atomic mass 39. If we arrange these 3 elements according to increasing order of their atomic masses, the elements are lithium, sodium, and potassium respectively. Arithmetic mean of atomic masses of first and third element, that is 7 plus 39 divided by 2 is equal to 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23. Newland's law of octaves. Newland was born in England. He also tried classification of elements. He divided the elements into horizontal rows of 7 elements as shown in figure. He also arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. He found that every 8th element shows the properties like first element. For example, sodium is 8th element from lithium. Therefore, sodium and lithium shows similar properties. Another example, aluminium is 8th element from boron. Therefore, they also shows the similar properties. Limitations of Newland's classification. First one, Newland did the classification of elements only up to calcium from 56 elements. Second one, Newland's octaves did not have provision for newly discovered elements. Mendeleev's classification. Mendeleev was a Russian scientist. At the time of Mendeleev, 63 elements were known. He also arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. He did the classification of elements on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Mendeleev found that The elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval of elements. Statement of Mendeleev's periodic law. The properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Here is Mendeleev's periodic table. There are vertical columns in Mendeleev's periodic table called as groups, and horizontal rows in Mendeleev's periodic table are called periods. There are 8 groups and 7 periods in Mendeleev's periodic table. There are some blank places in Mendeleev's periodic table.